Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to remove name password log in your Motorola phone. As you want to remove your name password log in your Motorola phone, so you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove name password in our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So as now let's see how to remove it. So then first of all, open your phone setting to remove your name password log in your Motorola phone. And guys, scroll and guys, you can see your security settings. So guys, tap here. Guys, click on screen lock and guys, enter your name password. And guys, you can see the swipe and on option, so as you can take any. So you can non option and guys, you can see you want to remove. Yes, we want to remove our name password. Then guys, you can see there is no any name password in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove name password in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So as now we will meet on guys next video. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching.